In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a pillow in under 1 minute, so it's very fast. So let's press A, X, delete, and now press on your keyboard Shift plus A, and then add a plane. And now let's go to Tab, and here we have to press on A to extrude, and extrude like this. And now here, make sure you press on your keyboard Control plus R and add some loop cuts here. And we also have to add some loop cuts here. Now, the next step is to go here to add modifier and add a cloud modifier and click here on settings and properties. Now you just have to enable pressure here, type 1.6 usually, or 2.3. And now here we go to field here, expand this and make sure you disable gravity. And now we can simply tab and go to object mode, and if we play this, we have our pillow. Now stop exactly where your pillow looks the best. Around here I like it, looks good. Now we can simply press on our keyboard. After you go to cloud, we can press apply, and I just press on keyboard Control 1 or Control 3, and we can add a subdivision. We can also add subdivision from here, but that's just a shortcut that I like to use. You can go here to add a modifier, and you can add here a subdivision modifier, or you can also press Control and add a 3-level subdivision modifier. 3-level right here. From here is 3. If you press Control 3, Control 2, and now it's very simple. We can also go to create this pillow, but if you want to add some details, you can go to sculpt mode, and here we can go to cloud here, and we can add some increase the strength. We can add some what they're called, some cloud, some yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, you can add this here. Yeah. You can also go here, maybe you want to see because a pillow, press 3 on your keyboard, Alt, and select all this and press Alt E and extrude along normals. And now you can add some. This has the pillow usually has this this line, this thing around the pillow. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next one. If you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.